CustomTools 2025 Professional, we added a brand new export type. You now have the option to create optimized cut list reporting, where we calculate the best grouping for optimal material utilization. The report will highlight profiles not yet added to your library and lets you interactively create the stock materials at runtime of the report. Here I'll create a few different stock lengths to pick from. Notice we also support curve to account for the removed material as well as end trim of your profiles. Additional profiles can easily be added in the familiar key value lookup list. And you can perform some customization to the look and feel of the Excel report itself.
We are in the life-saving business. We kill your routines before they kill you.